What's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, how's it hanging, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to your favorite channel. All right, so today we're in San Bernardino. Right now I'm on 5th Street and G Street. So let's go see what's cracking out here. Got them bomb tacos going on right there. So hey, just in case you guys were curious about what I'm using a GoPro 9. Wanted to test it out. Make sure my doors are locked. We in San Bernardino. You don't want to get caught slipping out here. Look at this guy poking his head out. Check it out, this is my first time using the GoPro, so bear with me, guys. What do you guys think about San Bernardino? That's a Chicano U-turn, homie. Woo! It's cracking. She said, how you a pimp and you doing that square-ish? She got a point. Another one. And another one. And another one. I'll come back around.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll come back around.
Be right
Yep.
here? All right, baby.
All right. That was a chocolate bunny right there. She came quick. She's been waiting on that money. It's cracking tonight though. Crazy out here in San Bernardino. the Chicano U-turn, homie. Woo! Hey, for some reason, this screen keeps on turning off. So I'm not sure if it's still on or what. I'll come back.
Come on, man.
I'm just shopping around right now.
Well, you fucking found the right thing to purchase. What's that?
Hold on. I'll be back.
All right, I won't be here, but all right.
All right. What you guys think about San Bernardino? The SB. San Bernardino's cracking tonight. We're stopping. That looked like a cop for a little bit. I was like, damn, she about to get arrested. I guess not. Let's go see what else is cracking.